Hey, welcome to RC3D. My name is Ryan, and in this video I'm going to be making this zombie Iron Man helmet. That's a pretty cool helmet, isn't it? So when people first find out about what I do, just in general conversation, things like that, even longer before I've had the channel, they always say to me, oh, you should do Iron Man. And no pun intended, Iron Man has been done to death, hasn't he? Especially when it comes to 3D printed cosplays. But this helmet is giving me some ideas for a cosplay. How cool would it be to have an Iron Man cosplay, but it's the zombie version? And I'm thinking about grabbing some Iron Man files in the future. No guarantee that'll be anytime soon, but you never know. I am working on the Lich King one, aren't I? But anyway, how cool would it be to have the Iron Man suit, the helmet with the skull, and then obviously the neck piece and then the chest, but the chest's all damaged, so you've got some rib cages in the chest and just bits and pieces like that, but really dirty it all up so it looks like you've just crawled out of the ground, you know. I think that would be cool, and that would be really sick at a convention. I get all these ideas, I just get overexcited. So anyway, I'm really happy to be sharing this with you. If you like the video, please blast that like button, subscribe to the channel to show your support, and